Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is a powerful data visualization and analysis tool. This program is very popular in the world of business. Businesses use it to record expenditures and income, plan budgets, and draw their data in the charts. This software has a variety of tools. We can analyze and visualize data in Microsoft Excel as well as it is visualized in the business intelligence. You will learn how these tools are used, especially when you want to get all your data in one page. You will learn various techniques and tricks as well as how collapsible button is created in the Microsoft Excel. You will learn how text boxes are added and formatted with multiple colors in the spreadsheet and how numerical values are extracted in the text box from the data source. You will also learn how charts are formatted with different colors. You will learn how the layout of dashboard is created. I will create this sales dashboard where values are changing dynamically. So let's start.